Stop leaving your car's safety to guesswork and risking your insurance premium over he said, she said, road disputes. Welcome back. If you want to lock down bulletproof, ironclad legal proof from every conceivable angle of your vehicle while you drive or while you're parked, this 4K plus 2K plus 2K 3-channel Ultra HD dashcam system is the ultimate automotive shield for 2026. This isn't an ordinary front-facing lens or a cheap dual-cam setup that leaves your blind spots exposed. It is a complete 360-degree mobile surveillance matrix. The absolute showstopper feature here is its simultaneous 3-channel recording setup hitting resolutions of 4K front, 2K interior, and 2K rear. Driven by a flagship image processor, it doesn't drop frame quality when all channels are running. The $170-carat /cert ultra-wide front lens captures multi-lane highway traffic and license plates with razor-sharp clarity, while the dual 2K interior and rear lenses monitor cabin activity and tailgating vehicles, creating an airtight digital perimeter around your car. What makes this multi-channel system a definitive 2026 upgrade for rideshare drivers, daily commuters, and road trippers is its hyper-fast wireless data pipeline and automated safety brain. It features a next-generation 5.8G/2.4G dual-band Wi-Fi module. While older 2.4G dashcams take ages to load a single video file onto your phone, the 5.8G band lets you pull up real-time playback and download massive 4K road clips to your smartphone in seconds flat. For maximum out-of-the-box utility, the system includes a high-endurance 128GB memory card designed to handle heavy-duty rewrite cycles without corrupting. Armed with a built-in GPS tracking module that embeds your live speed and coordinates directly into the footage, advanced WDR night vision, an emergency locking G-sensor, and a comprehensive 24-hour parking monitor mode, it acts as an unblinking, undercover security guard for your vehicle day and night. Click the link below for the best price and guard your ride with total confidence today. If this breakdown helped you find the ultimate triple lens safety upgrade for 2026, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the smart, high-yield automotive gear that protects your investments. See you in the next one.